Hi, I'm Anand Johnson and I'm a digital marketer. Growing up, I understood that entrepreneurs are valuable people in society who provide immense value, innovations, and contribute to the growth and economy of society. So, we started our business to help entrepreneurs, individuals, and freelancers to give massive value, help them make money, and achieve their dreams life. Fair enough? And I'm Anand Johnson, founder and the CEO of ReddMatrix.
ऐसा है तो बड़ी 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 बातें, ऐसा है तो लंबी 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 बातें, ऐसा है तो 5 stars.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring how content marketing can help grow your business very fast by leveraging strategic content. The brand's success will dive into their tactics and show you how you can apply these strategies to your own business. So let's go. Red Bull is a prime example of how to use content marketing effectively. Their strategies revolve around creating engaging content and experiences that resonate with your audience even when they are not directly interested in energy drinks.
No, I turned wrong, left your heart torn. Is that what devils do?
Red Bull sponsors extreme sports events, create viral videos, and even launch a record label. Their content is all about high energy, adventurous experiences. A standout example is the Red Bull Stratros project, where Felix jumped from the edge of space. This event captured a global audience, generating massive attention and positioning Red Bull as a brand synonymous with adventure and excitement. By associating their brands with extreme sport and adventure, Red Bull engaged their audience on a deeper level, creating strong brand loyalty. This engagement translates into increased brand awareness and sales, showing the power of content that resonates deeply with the target audience. Now let's look at the Ford and their innovative Fiesta Movement campaign. Ford gave 100 agents a new Fiesta along with free fuel, car insurance, and video cameras to document their experiences. Each month, these agents were sent on exciting mission from hiking in the mountains to training with Navy SEALs. They document their adventures through videos, blogs, and social media, providing authentic and unfiltered content. Ford did not interfere with the content production, ensuring it remained genuine. Fiesta Movement generated over 4,000 videos and 5,000 photos with millions of views online. The user-generated content was both entertaining and informative, helping potential customers see the Fiesta in real-world scenarios. The campaign successfully connected with millennials, drew up interest, and boosted sales, all while being more cost-effective than traditional marketing tactics. Lastly, known for their action cameras, GoPro has mastered creating buzz through content marketing. Before launching new cameras, GoPro releases teaser videos to build excitement during the launch. Their releases feature thrillers, which are energetic and educational videos about the new products. Their standout strategy is the $1 Million Challenge, inviting users to submit videos shot with the new GoPro for a chance to win a share of 1 million. This campaign generated 42,000 clips from creators in 170 countries. The winning clips were compiled into promotional video that won a Shortly Award for Best User-Generated Content. This strategy boosted sales as participants had to buy the new camera and created immense global engagement. The campaign reached over 857 million people and evoked 70 million engagement, showing the incredible. Let's break down the benefits of this campaign. Red Bull. By creating high-energy, adventure-focused content, Red Bull built a strong emotional connection with its audience, enhancing brand loyalty and recognition. 4. Through the Fiesta movement, Ford provided authentic, user-generated content that resonates with the millennials, boosting engagement and sales without heavy reliance on traditional advertising. GoPro. By inviting its community to participate in the $1 Million Challenge, GoPro not only boosted sales but also generated a wealth of promotional content and achieved significant global reach and engagement. So what we can learn from Red Bull, Ford and GoPro: effective content marketing can build a strong connection with your audience, generate massive engagement through authentic, valuable content, rise sales by leveraging user-generated content and unique experience, You want to create impactful content for your business or understanding your audience and providing them with value that goes beyond your product. Here are some steps to be considered. Identify your audience. Understand who your target audience is and what interests them. Create valuable content. Develop content that provides real value, whether it's educational, entertaining, or inspirational. Engage your audience. Use social media, blogs, and videos to engage with your audience regularly. Leverage user-generated content. Encourage your customers to share their experience with your product. By implementing these strategies, you can create powerful content that resonates with your audience and drive rapid business growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insight on growing your business. See you in the next video.